Namaskar, I am Akhil Srivastav and I welcome you all in daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. In this briefing, we will see how was the weather during past 24 hours and what we expect in terms of weather during coming 1 week. If we see the weather for today, then with the help of satellite imagery, in the left hand side you can see in the satellite imagery we have mentioned the three synoptic systems which affected Indian region. There's a cyclonic circulation which is seen over western parts of Uttar Pradesh at lower tropospheric levels. Also, there is a trough with its axis in mid-tropospheric levels, which is running roughly along 82-degree east longitude to the north of latitude of 22-degree north. Also, there is a cyclonic circulation which is seen over South Konkan and neighborhood and the lower tropospheric levels. If we talk about the weather, which is observed during past 24 hours, then if we talk about rainfall in 24 hours, that is recorded during past 24 hours, starting from yesterday 8:30 hours IST to today morning at 30 hours IST. Then we can see in Telangana, in Bhupalli recorded 4 centimeter of rainfall. Kaleshwaram recorded 3 centimeter of rainfall. In Karimnagar, Chopadandi recorded 5 centimeter of rainfall. In Mulugu, Tadwai MLG recorded 4 centimeter of rainfall. In Dharmaram, Aligarh, and Sirampur each recorded 4 centimeter of rainfall. If we talk about Chhattisgarh, then in Bodla and Pandharia, 5 centimeter rainfall was recorded. In Thankmaria, 2 centimeter. In Bijapur, Usur, 2 centimeter. In Bilaspur, Takhatpur, 4 centimeter. In Korba, Paudi, Uparura, 4 centimeter. In Pali, 3 centimeter. In Raigad, if you talk about in Dharam Jaigarh, in 4 centimeter. In Ghargoda, 2 centimeter. If you talk about coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam, then in Vishakhapatnam, 3 centimeter rainfall was reported. In Pathingaram, 3 centimeter rainfall was recorded. In Jharkhand, Simdega and in Simdega, Kurteg reported 3 centimeter of rainfall during past 24 hours. If we talk about temperature across the country, then we can see that in minimum temperatures were above normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over isolated parts of Punjab and many parts of central, east, and northeast India. However, they were near normal or below normal by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over rest parts of north and central India. Dense to very dense was fog prevailed in isolated pockets over West Uttar Pradesh and West Madhya Pradesh, and dense fog was also observed in isolated pockets over Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, Punjab, East Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Maharashtra. Severe cold day conditions were also seen in isolated parts over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and East Madhya Pradesh, and cold day conditions were observed in isolated parts over West Madhya Pradesh. If we talk about the forecast in the morning, then in major form, if you want to see, then we are expecting dense to very dense fog over parts of northwest India during next 3 to 4 days, and two western disturbances are expected in quick succession to affect western Himalayan region during 16th to 19th of January 2022. If we talk about rainfall, then most of the rainfall is expected around our southern parts of the country, where we are expecting isolated to scattered light moderate rainfall over coastal Andhra Pradesh during 15th to 17th of January. Over East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana, it is expected on 15th of January, and over Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Mahe during next 4 to 5 days. We are also expecting light to moderate rainfall activity over Odisha, Jharkhand, and Gangetic West Bengal on 15th of January. Also, isolated thunderstorms with lightning are expected over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana on 15th, and over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Annam on 15th and 16th of January. Isolated light moderate rainfall is also likely over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya on 15th, and over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura on 15th and 16th of January. As we are expecting WD to affect Western Himalayan region, in under its influence, we are expecting isolated to scattered light moderate rainfall over Western Himalayan region during 16th to 19th of January 2022. If we talk about cold wave particularly, then we are expecting dense fog at a few places with very dense fog at isolated places in night and morning hours, very likely over Western Uttar Pradesh during next 24 hours, and then dense to very dense fog at isolated places during subsequent 3 days. We are also expecting dense to very dense fog in night and morning hours in isolated pockets over Western Himalayan region, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan during next 2 days. This dense to very dense fog is also expected over East Uttar Pradesh during next 4 days and over Odisha and Jharkhand during 18th to 20th of January. We are also expecting cold day to severe cold day conditions in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan during next 2 days. Cold wave conditions are also likely over East Rajasthan during next 24 hours. These are the main weather warnings for the next 5 days, which can be also seen through with the help of this multi-hazard map, where you can see the main fog and cold wave and cold day warnings are concentrated on the northwest parts of the country, which are shown with the help of the orange color for today and tomorrow. However, there will be slight decrease from tomorrow onwards. These are the weather warnings and weather features for today. I hope you will be utilizing all this information. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, if you need any updated information, you can utilize Mausam app, Damni app, and Meghdoot app. We will again meet tomorrow with a similar kind of information. Till then, have a wonderful time. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.